Day 2 in Florida. Matt's just getting some shots of the GT3. It looks so sick now, all in the same colour. But there was damage to the back bumper when the forklift truck like lifted it up, and it was like all around here. So that's all been repaired. The car's literally perfect. Well, it kind of, but but look at this. This is kind of like exposed all this forged carbon fibre at the back, which we didn't know was there. The wings off, so it looks like a Touring now. But it looks so cool. We're just filming for the main channel now. We're going to pull it in and we're going to take the wheels off because we're going to get those powder coated like a champagne colour. I think that's going to look really cool. The grey does look good, but just to switch it up a bit, I think the champagne colour is going to absolutely smash it. We've still got a lot to do on the interior. We're trying to rebuild this. We have got an exhaust we're going to fit on it as well. We've got plans to take it to Champion Porsche so they can check it over. And we're just trying to plan on which videos are going to go in which videos. If that makes sense. So yeah, and sometimes things don't normally go right as well. And if they don't go right, then we've got to think of alternatives. We are missing a few parts as well, which I don't know how we're going to get. We're going to have to source them. Overall, car's looking good. Weather's good, 32 degrees. And Matt's filming in his vest. It's so hot. And he's got his jazzy glasses on.
I'm in my Florida vibe.
Dashboard is lit up. I definitely need to get the aircon sorted in this because it is so hot. We got the wheels in the back and the tyres. Dad's got to drop them to the powder coater. And me and Matt are going to go, we're all going to Chipotle, aren't we? Chipotle! Chipotle! Went to Chipotle. Chipotle. My dad still don't know what's going on. Go on, put it in. Editing abruptly stopped, and now we're going for a few rounds of tennis. We got the full gear and no idea. But there's some tennis courts near Freddie's house. We're going to see if we can have a little. Oh! How up? Look at that headband. There's a snake in Freddie's garden. There. I don't know what type of snake that is. Can you see it on the camera?
It's a cobra.
Why is it not moving? I need to go and edit down there.
It's waiting.
Go on, go solo.
I ain't going past that.
Go on.
Are you going to touch it?
It's going to be by your feet while you're editing.
That is grim. And we just finished up work today on the GT3. I wish I could show you, but that would ruin the main channel videos. But look what's here. The famous yellow Submarine. I'm not sure how much I can show you on that either because of Freddie's videos, but it's still wet and it's still yellow. We just picked up the wheels for powder coating. We're changing the colour of them. We was going to change the roll cage, but I don't know. Let us know what you think about that. I've just dropped Freddie's key in the engine bay and it didn't hit the floor. And we can't even get in the unit now because the keys are somewhere down there.
Oh no.
Oh no. Anyway, what engine's in this? It's a V8 but put the other way. Oh no. It went down there. Got an idea, I can see it. This is my... I might have to bend the dipstick to... Is anyone good at hook a duck?
Wait, can't you get that on the ring?
I don't know if that's long enough.
Ring on there.
Right, hook a duck. Okay, hook a duck. No. My dipstick were doing better. Oh!
Keep going.
Keep going. Yes, that'll do.
The tyre, look at the tyre!
Don't stamp it.
The good thing, it's only one key.
You get it out with that?
Oh yeah, that's quite good. What should I do with that now? Oh,
Slowly.
run it! Wait, no, don't make me. No, don't do it. Wait, I'm on it. It's in the air.
Is it?
Yeah. Oh, it's on the tip. Oh! Oh! Get it. Get it. Yes! Lesson 1, don't drop stuff in engine bays, right? No one will ever know that happened. I only opened the bonnet to see what engine was in it. Lost the key. Got it back though. Mechanic. 33 degrees of heat. It's actually like day 3 or 4 now. Can't really remember, but look at Freddys Pool. It is absolutely sensational. To the car, to the unit, carrying on work with the GT3.
Hi.
Have I left my lunch there?
You want food?
Yeah.
Yeah, you left the cookie and cream flavour.
Oh, I was looking forward to that as well because it's got 26 vitamins and minerals in it. It's high in fibre, it's high in protein, it's lactose free, it's gluten free, and there's no added sugar. And if cookie and cream doesn't tickle your fancy, then there is loads of different flavours to choose from. Happy banana being my personal favourite, but there's loads to choose from.
And it's the perfect meal replacement.
It is, and I've somehow left it at home. Any chance of shipping it over?
No problem.
Thanks, Anna. Well, seems I have left my Waifu at home, and that's such a shame because actually today is their birthday, and because it's their birthday, they're doing a special offer for you guys, 20% off, which only lasts for
3 days.
3 days. It only lasts for 3 days. There's a link in the description box below and probably a banner appearing underneath me right now with the discount code. So if you're like me and constantly on the go, then get a perfect meal replacement drink to stay healthy with Waifu. Thanks, Waifu, for sponsoring the Mark II channel. So here is the progress of the GT3. We got the interior in on the main channel, and we've also done a bit of work to that side, but I don't think I'll show you that yet because that's going to come out on the main channel. We've still got a fair amount to do on it, including all of this back half, which looks crazy with no rear bumper on. And look at the air filters down there. Mental. The interior is looking sweet. Look at these seats. But we did order a lot of parts from the UK, mainly like aircon bits and bobs, because if we don't have an aircon, then I'm going to struggle in this heat. These are all the aircon pipes. Got to sort all them out. Long day today of putting all this back together. No way. Hello. Hello, man. How are you? There's a tortoise. Or is it a turtle? What? Oh, you scared him. Oh, look at it. Yeah, I seen him going across the road. I thought, what the hell is that? Evidence of what? Oh, evidence at the back as well. Evidence. Evidence. Maybe it's been in like a police chase or something. You're now a crime scene.
Oh no, my fingerprints will be on the door handle.
Oh, it's quite nice in there, isn't it? Evidence. Evidence. It's still not sold then. Oh, it is paint. Oh yeah, look, it's got GoPro mounts. He was doing a vlog. No, where's the damage? Oh, that's the brake disc. Oh,
That's
dear.
only $2.5 grand.
Where's the floor gone? Oh, it just did a floor delete. Well, there's not much here. At least you didn't have to do a front tub. Oh, that's had a nightmare. Legs gone west. Or is that east? Yeah, that's a bit broke. What car would you pick?
I'll take Ben. One that the door opens on.
Oh my god. Oh my god, that is so bad. Wow. What's that? What's that bucket of stuff in there?
That's what's sloshed all around everywhere.
Oh my god, that is grim. Oh, it's everywhere.
I think I might not have this one.
X5M, proper Birmingham.
Let's see if this starts.
Is it flood or what?
I don't know. Oh!
Oh, it's got lights.
lights.
Look how shiny that steering wheel is. It's got
Ready?
about 8 diseases on it.
Ready?
Go on.
Yeah.
Oh! That's loud. Yeah, that's loud. Oh my god. That's well loud. Why is it so loud? What are in these? Oh yeah, same as the M5. 2 charge coolers. That horrible belt. Big V8 with turbos. 007 spec. I don't know what makes it 007. It doesn't look any different to mine.
Colour in the interior.
Maybe. About that Bentley. That one's alright. Yeah, it might not be any good, this one. 5-door, what, a flying spur? No, I don't like flying spur. Like, I like Bentley because it's a bit sporty, but this is too
Too old, man.
Oh, battery's on. Sheepskin. First edition. Oh, this is well nice. That's extra for the screen that flips.
Look at that. Wow.
Whoa.
That's cool.
Okay, so it doesn't start. I think the pyro fuse is gone. Oh.
What are you doing?
He's jumping.
I don't know, but that hoe with the she said that shit was I said that shit was loose. I just beat that pussy loose. Knocked the walls out like 1 or 2.
I think we're taking this one.
Yeah, that's good.
Could be your alpha, could be your Romeo. Tell them boys back up, I ain't going nowhere. I'ma fight that back up, put it on your story so all your friends see it. Everyone can see it, and we going and going and going.